Galaxy Watch 4, new watch faces and bands. Choosing and customizing watch faces on your Galaxy Watch 4. Once you have the watch face you want installed on your Galaxy Watch, you can easily switch to it and customize it, depending on how much customization it allows. There are a couple of ways to do this. You can either change and customize the watch face on the Galaxy Watch, or you can do it through the Samsung wearable app. To change the watch face on the Galaxy Watch 4, simply long tap on the current watch face and wait for it to drop back a bit on the screen. After it does this, simply swipe until you find your new watch face and tap it. In order to customize it, simply long tap again and tap Customize if it is available. By swiping in the customization window, you can change different features. This all depends on what the watch face developers allow for their watch face. To change the watch face through the Samsung wearable app, simply find watch faces as you did before in the app. Once there, scroll through your installed watch faces and tap the one you'd like to set. Once it sets, a Customize button may appear toward the top. After tapping it, you can change various aspects of the watch face. Once you learn how to change and customize watch faces, you'll be able to switch up watch faces whenever you want to give your Galaxy Watch 4 a new look. You can change the watch face as many times as you want, and depending on storage, you can save hundreds of different watch faces. Installing watch faces for the Galaxy Watch 4. Once you find the watch faces you're looking for, you'll need to install them. Fortunately, Google Play allows you to install the watch face directly to your Galaxy Watch instead of to your phone, taking up valuable storage space. Here's how you can do this. Find a watch face you want to install on the Google Play Store. On the Install page, tap the drop-down arrow next to Install. The option to choose your watch could be under a different drop-down menu named Available on More devices. This will be the case if the watch face can't be installed directly onto your phone, which isn't necessary anyway. Make sure you select the correct watch you want to install the watch face to. Tap Install next to your watch name. Note, if you do not see your watch listed for installation, it is likely due to the watch face being limited to Wear OS 2 devices. Since the Galaxy Watch 4 is a Wear OS 3 watch, both Tizen and most Wear OS watch faces are supported. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.